Hey everyone, what's up? I am Khushboo and welcome back to my channel and happy Diwali to all of you guys. Today I am doing Diwali makeup look for all of you, and if you are excited, let's get started. So firstly I am using Benefit's Porefessional face primer, which is absolutely stunning. And then I'm using LA Girl's orange and green corrector. So guys, remember, orange takes care of the blue dark circles and green corrector cancels out red zits. To blend it out, I'm using PAC's Beauty Blender. For concealing today, I am again using LA Girl concealer in the shade of Pure Beige, which works really well for my problem area. If someone's my skin tone, they can also use Pure Beige shade for their concealing part. So next I am using Wet n Wild and MAC's foundation today, and I am mixing these two foundations to make it a perfect shade for me. Just using a little bit amount of foundation on my skin. And for highlighting, I am using LA Girl Natural and just by using very little product, I am doing the highlighting part. So today I am going to do a cream contour on my face, and for that I am using Derma palette. By using DJ3 shade from the Derma palette, it's sort of a dark brown color, which is absolutely perfect to contour. Defining the cheekbones and blending by taking damp beauty blender, just tapping over the area of the contour color. I have used Pure Beige concealer on my eyelids as well, which works as an eyeshadow base. And now to do my eyes, I'm using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and Jaclyn Hill palette to create that shimmery colorful eyes. So guys, now you all will be wondering why I'm using Blue Heaven's product Guys, it's not always about costly products, but Blue Heaven's eyeliner is so best so far among all the eyeliners that I have used till date. So next I am doing my mascara. To set my entire face, I am using Wet n Wild's highlighter and contour palette. And now using my favorite all-nighter lipper from Kylie Cosmetics, which is a stunning red color. So I usually do brows in last, and for that I am using Wet n Wild brow pencil. So finishing the look with highlighter, and for the highlighting part I'm using Savannah's highlighting palette. So guys, I'll be listing all the products with the proper shades in the video. So guys, here's my Diwali makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my video, please like it and comment on it, and do subscribe it. Please do share your valuable feedbacks with me, and I will be back with my another tutorial coming up soon. Happy Diwali guys, enjoy the festival.